My name is Yash Aranake. I'm here on behalf of Hindustan Nylons. We manufacture polytetrafluoroethylene PTFE, commonly known as Teflon. We manufacture basically sheets, rods, bushes, and all the customized parts. You can give us the diagram and we can provide as per the requirement. Then we also manufacture standard items and standard gaskets, standard bushes, envelope gasket, mill gaskets, and basically every type of gaskets with PCD and without PCD. And we also manufacture skiving sheets up to 1 meter width and 3 mm thickness, and other grades customized like carbon 60, then calcium fluoride, copper nickel plus PTFE. We are specialized in those exotic grades of PTFE.